Okay, so in a previous video I showed how to confirm that your alarm cable to the multi-coupler unit is functioning properly and which input it's doing. If you haven't seen that, you might want to watch that. The next step in this then is to go into the device manager and configure the network Sentry for that proper port. So you see now that I'm logged into S0 U0 SMS remotely, and I open up the device management console. And I'm going to start by showing you one that's already configured. Just because I happen to know that that we've done these. So yeah, let's just grab Goat Mountain. And you see at Goat Mountain we've got an entry here on line number 3 for the network Sentry. So let's read that device. The network Sentry on Goat Mountain. And there it goes. It's going to open that up for us. And we're going to look in this left column here for the I/O. And remember that it's a digital input because it's a relay closure, contact closure. We're not measuring any analog voltages. We're not doing any outputs. So when you click on collection or double click like I just did, you see that it brings up item 1, there's item 2. Now notice that these are all, they're showing you the digital inputs. And so in this case we've built the alarm cable for digital input number 1. And we went in and added the description to it, that it is the alarm for the Goat Mountain multi-coupler unit, or MCU. Polarity is active low, and you see that that is not bolded, so that's just the default value right there, so we're not messing with that. You see that here the active state name is bold. That's because we changed it. So I could change that to anything I wanted. I could call it Fred if I wanted to. I don't want to. I want it to be down in all capital letters. The inactive state name is up, and the active state severity, you get a drop down menu for that one, and we want to choose critical there. Okay, so after that you would click OK, and after that you would write the device. Now in writing the device, if I was actually going to make this change, I would increment this number to something new. That way we've got an archive of the old file in case we did something really bad. Now we have something to load into the device and restore it to a known working state. So if I wanted to, I could click save. That would save the personality to the repository and write the device. But I don't want to do that. You get the idea. That's what is needed to change. So in the next video, I will show you one. We'll go ahead and do one in region 61.